Track 2, Exercise 1, the bird dog exercise. For the bird dog exercise, you'll begin on all fours with your back in a neutral position. Once your core is activated, begin by extending one of your arms and the opposite leg. This motion should be slow and controlled. Hold in place and then bring back in. Try the other side. When performing this exercise, be sure to keep your core activated and your low back in a neutral position. Do not overextend your low back as seen here. Be sure to stick your arm and leg straight out, not out to the side. If doing one arm and one leg at the same time is too difficult at first, start by just extending one leg or one arm at a time. Work yourself up